Only answer. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied race. I shall give this. I shall. I shall. I shall. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's thought is brought to you by Ines from Grade IX Topaz. Today's thought: knowledge will give you the power, but character will give you the respect. I'll repeat once again: knowledge will give you the power, but character will give you respect. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Ananda Kishore of Grade IX Topaz. And today's word, petrichor, meaning the pleasant earth smell after rain. Friends, please spell after me. Petrichor. Petrichor. Thank you.
A warm morning to everyone present here. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by SRVNs of Grade IX Topaz. International news is brought to you by Vishnu. International news. Pakistan's Asim Munir conferred Saudi Arabia's the highest civilian award. James Ranson, known for his role in The Wire, he passed away. Thank you.
I'm Yeshua Happy morning, everyone. Today's national news is brought to you by Yeshua from Grade IX Topaz. National news. Jaishankar to visit Sri Lanka as special envoy of PM Modi on December 23. Supreme Court refuses to list urgent plea against PMO offering charger to Azmat Sharif Dargah on December 22. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone. Today's weather forecast is brought to you by P. Mayank of Grade IX Topaz. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 19 degrees Celsius. Precipitation 10%, humidity 15%. Thank you. That's the end of today's news bulletin.
Happy morning to everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends, and who gathered here. I am Vivek Sir from Grade IX Topaz. I am presenting today's state news. State news: Air India Mumbai bound B777 plane returns to New Delhi due to right engine issue. A big food festival was held in Hyderabad, showcasing famous food items. More than 500 food stalls took part, celebrating India's food culture. That's all for today's state news. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. Today's sport news is brought to you by SVJ. Happy morning, everyone. Today's sports news is brought to you by SVJ from Grade IX Topaz. Sports news. WPL Women's Premier League will start on 9th January 2026. First match is between Mumbai Indians and Royal Challengers Bengaluru. India vs Pakistan Asia Cup Finals. Under 19, Pakistan won with 191 runs. This is end of sports news. Thank you.
Answer is ethylene. Question for Grade IX. Which isotope of hydrogen is radioactive? I repeat again, which isotope of hydrogen is radioactive? Sorry, you did not pick the any answer, and the answer is tritium. Open questions for all. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity on moon? I repeat again, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity on moon? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is 1.6 meter per second. Question number 2. Which law explains recoil of gun? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Newton's third law of motion. Let us appreciate them. Question number 3. Which quality remains constant in a isolated system? I repeat again. Which quantity remains constant in a isolated system? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is momentum. Thank you. Have a nice day.